Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
Oh, I just cut.
Okay, so what are we doing today, Rico?
We're fucking wiring up the city lights on the JDM headlights.
Okay, so in order for you to wire up your city lights, it's these two wires right here. This is where you'll get your power from, and this right here is where you'll get your ground. This is for turn signals. So if you wire this up to like the power to here and the ground to here,
you're gonna do what Rico's stupid ass did, and you're gonna have like your map lights rolling, only turning on when you're rolling your fucking window up.
because yesterday we installed his map lights in his. Is your car unlocked?
Yeah, but I think you gotta put the key. The key should be in there so you can flip on the.
Yesterday we installed his map lights because he installed them
It's on the trunk here.
wrong. Oh yeah, put the key in. And they only work with the key being in. So we installed these. I guess these are really rare in Del Sol's. I'm not too sure. He knows about them. Is that rare?
Not rare, just expensive. So a lot of people won't want to pay $100 for some stupid little JDM shit.
So we have the JDM headlights, and this is where his well, you said, look, you dodo bird, you said it's gonna be orange. This is clear.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the blinker, because this is orange.
No. City lights are supposed to be orange, and well, on Civics they are.
Well, I mean, I have the OEM bulbs, but does that really matter? Because I'm not going to be driving with those on in the day.
I mean, well, when you turn it on, they stay on. That's the thing.
But they'll be white. Is that a problem? That fucking I'm going to have white in my headlights?
No, I mean, Jesus, I'm sorry.
Is that a fucking problem, officer?
I'm sorry.
I'm treating you
But-
like I'm going to talk to the fucking cop who pulls me over for it.
These are the one-piece JDM headlights for the Del Sol, and he's running city lights on them. So we're gonna get to wiring right now. So
Chris taught me this.
oh yeah, this is an easy way to strip wire. You burn it up
So you don't rip it out of the fucking connector.
real quick and give it a pull, and there you go. So this connector, it's kind of weird. We got the connector to Joe. Shout out to Joe. Shout out to Measyworks. Shout out to Big Daddy Joe. For some reason, you would think that the white would be power and this would be ground, but in reality, the way it's wired.
You know, Japan's on the other side of the world, so everything's opposite.
So this is power and this is ground, which is weird. So we're gonna run it like that, so it'll be boop, boop. But he's gonna extend the wire so that way it could come to right here, because this is where the city light would be, and he is running an LED bulb, which is.
If Chris allows me to, because Mr. Police over here might make me put the stock.
Well, you just wanted to be JDM correct. These are the original harnesses for it. I'm not entirely too sure why there's three. I don't know, but this is the way we read about it. So this is how it's going to be. What?
These are the original bulbs. So I don't even think they're orange.
Yeah, no, they're not orange.
These are.
The color of it would actually be orange. Doesn't matter though. Oh yeah, it looks like a wiring disaster, but it's there. It's there.
Oh, and they don't turn on with the full lights. Oh yeah, do they?
Oh, turn them on.
That's a halfway.
Halfway, turn it on.
Halfway?
Okay, put it on full. Yeah, they stay on. That's how they're supposed to. They're supposed to stay on.
Perfect.
So you could just run those during the day if you wanted to. I mean, like when it's like, you know, it looks really good when like these are orange and it's kind of like foggy outside, because Louise had a Civic that had the JDM taillights, and he would just run them like that during the day, and it was like kind of foggy outside and it looked really cool.
So Joe, now we can wire his shit up.
Oh yeah, definitely. Same thing with the side markers. If you guys want to wire it up, it's the exact same way. But since it's a
You gotta
turn
have
signal,
the same wire, right? Oh no, this wire here.
yeah, it would be that one.
And further back over
It
here.
would be this one and this one. But see, what my dumbass did was because if you wired it from here to the this is the turn signal, and you wire the ground, your lights won't stay on; they'll just blink. What I did, what was wrong, was I put fucking power here, and I put the blinker on, so my shit constantly stays on. So if you want yours to constantly stay on, it's red and green. If you want it just to blink, it's green and black. So that's what you need
For the
to do.
side markers.
For the side markers. So my dumbass.
I don't know what I want actually. A lot of people leave them on, running all the time.
Yeah, I fucked up because my it stays on and it goes blink, 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 but it's like this will blink and then that will blink and then this will blink. So they're not in sync. They're not in sync. So if you wire it up with the
I think I'd
this
rather
one
do it to stay on then, so I don't have to worry about the sync.
Yeah, well, because like when you turn on your emergencies, they're in sync.
It's a different time to travel to that other wire,
Yeah,
right?
like it's like
longer current.
It's like when I say this one blinks, this one's off. So like it goes on, off, on, like that. So, but when you put your emergencies on, they blink all at the same time. But I have mines constantly running, so that's why mines look different. Mine stay on and they blink and they blink like that. But if you run it the way I was telling you, where it's just turn signals, those stay off and they only blink when they're supposed to. So I think that's how they're supposed to be wired, is when they just blink when they're supposed to. They're not supposed to be constantly on. But hey, I'm fucking retarded. So what do you want from me? So I got some dry ice and some rubbing alcohol, because that's how I heard that's how you get rid of sound deadening.
Exactly how you do it.
So I've never done this before with dry ice.
Just gotta crush it real good.
I'm gonna just throw it in there, and then how long do you think I let it last?
That I don't know.
Well, because usually I see people
I mean,
doing it.
the alcohol will evaporate, so I'm assuming that's when you're. I mean, there's nothing else you can fucking do after that.
I gotta take everything out of there then.
Yeah.
Fuck.
And you gotta break it up into like almost like a powder, dude, so you can lay an even coat over everything.
I just see people do it big pieces.
I wouldn't do it like that. Usually, when I've seen like Ghostboy Aki just did it, you can try to watch his video. You probably find it.
I'll probably just leave it in big pieces and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, don't fucking listen to me.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do
That
big
way I
pieces.
can say I told you so.
Yeah, just big pieces. I got some spooky looking movie effects going on in the CRX right now. So I'm gonna let this do its thing, and then I'm gonna come back to it, and I'm gonna break it up. I put the rubbing alcohol all over it first before I did it. What the fuck are you doing, Rico? Jesus. So we're gonna let this do its thing. Make sure you have a well ventilated area. As you can see, there is no wires in here. No, there's not. I took out everything. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and just wait. After fighting with it for what feels like 14 years, fuck that side. I'm getting this side now, and this is as much dry as ice as I have left. I'm gonna need to buy some more for the back end, but this is as far as I got. So I'm gonna close this up and let that do its thing. Fuck this car. Not fuck this car. Fuck this thing. So as it goes, fucking dry ice is about $20 a bag at Smart and Final. I don't know if a lot of you guys have Smart and Final in your area, but you use rubbing alcohol, doesn't matter what kind, and you soak it on the dry ice, and I guess what it does is that the alcohol soaks into it, and when it starts to freeze, it kind of makes it become brittle, because there's pieces where I would hit it and it would just literally fall apart. But it is time consuming, and you may need more than one, maybe more than 2 bags, but since my car is pretty small, I think I can get away with it. But as of right now, since I'm working on the passenger side, well, the driver's side, no, I'm gonna need more than 1 bag now that I think about it. Yeah, I'm gonna need more than 1 bag.
And you'll want one on me.
Thank God
Have you always
for
driven a
Louise
Honda?
for coming through. Thank you.
Got
Let
it,
it
bro.
focus. Let it focus. Why is it not focusing?
Because I'm ugly. Because I'm ugly.
Focus,
Yeah,
focus.
dude, my first Civic was an 88 hatchback, all original, 5-speed series. And it had
can hear it cracking.
57,000 miles, dude, and I was like probably 16 or 17.
I thought that was
Came by, gave me some more dry ice, put some over there, put some here.
We've always lived in San
Hell yeah. This is what the sound deadening looks like now. All over. So I'm gonna try to use this totally awesome to clean it up, all the residue that didn't come off. Oh no, I missed a spot. Damn it. Well, majority of it came off, including the back pieces. So I'm gonna have to clean all this up. I'm gonna need to find like a little brush or a broom or something to sweep this up. Oh yeah, it's a lot of work and a lot of mess. So that's gonna conclude this video, because there's not much to do until I get the paint. If you guys like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this or similar. I will have something big happening in August, this month, on the 10th. So make sure y'all stick tuned for that. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.